Have you accidentally deleted an important file in Windows? Fret not. You are in the right place. Here is how to recover those lost files. Welcome to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Here is your guide to effortlessly recovering deleted files on your Windows device. Let's get started. Method 1. Search for the file. Before assuming the file is permanently deleted, you can search for it using File Explorer. Here is how to do so. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Then click on this PC in the left pane. Type the file name or part of it in the search bar at the top right corner. Check if you can find the file this way. If you suspect you moved the file, you can also check external storage devices like USB drives, external HDDs or SSDs. Method 2. Check the recycle bin. If you have recently deleted the file, it may still be in the recycle bin. Here is how you can search for it in the Windows recycle bin. Double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Use the search box in the top right corner and type the name of the file. If you find the file, right-click on it and select Restore to return to its original location. To make searching easier, right-click inside the recycle bin, select Sort By, then select Date Deleted and look at recently deleted files. Method 3. Recover with File History. Windows File History backs up important files. If it was enabled before the file was deleted, you may recover an earlier version. Open the Start menu, type File History and select Restore Personal Files with File History in the left sidebar. Navigate to the folder where the file was stored. Select the previous version of the file and click on the Restore option or the green button with a circular arrow. If File History wasn't enabled before deletion, this method won't work, so you can skip this method. Method 4. Check cloud storage for the lost file. If your file was stored in a cloud service, it may still be recoverable from its trash or recycle bin. For OneDrive, open OneDrive. You will get all the links in the description below. Click Recycle Bin in the left sidebar. Look for the specific file. If you find the file, right-click on it and select Restore. The file remains for 30 days if it's a personal account. For Google Drive, open Google Drive, click on the bin in the left sidebar. Find the file. Then right-click on it or click on the three dots menu. Then select Restore. For Dropbox, go to Dropbox, click on Deleted Files in the left sidebar. Select the file and click Restore. In Dropbox, the files remains for 30 days on free accounts. Method 5. Use Windows File Recovery tool. If the file is permanently deleted and not in backups, then you can use Windows File Recovery to restore the deleted files. To begin with, download Windows File Recovery tool from the Microsoft Store. Once you have installed the tool, open it using Windows Search. Next, you can use this command to search for the deleted file. This command is an example to search for the file. Here C: is the drive where the file was originally stored. D: is where the recovered file will be saved. This has to be a different drive. To filter the files, put a space and use /n followed by the file type you want to restore. For example, to restore Word files, you can use *.docx to recover all Word files. For PDFs, you can use *.pdf as well. The command will be like this. Then execute the command and the app should ask you to run the command. Type Y to run it. It should then start scanning and give you the list of the files. You can then choose to view the recovered files. You can navigate through the folder and find your required file. Method 6. Use third-party recovery software. You can also use third-party recovery software like Recuva, EaseUs, DiskDrill, etc. to recover your deleted files. Here, we are using Recuva by CCleaner. First, download Recuva from here. Install and launch the program. Select the file type, for example, documents, pictures, videos, etc. or select all files. Then select Next. Choose the drive where the file was located, or you can choose I'm not sure. Then start scanning and wait for results. If found, right-click on the file and click Recover highlighted. Installing recovery software may override deleted files. If the file is critical, use another computer or a USB recovery tool. Method 7. Prevent future data loss. To avoid losing important files, follow these best practices. Enable File History. For this, type File History in the search bar and select the top option. Check if it is turned on. If not, then turn it on. Store critical files on OneDrive, Google Drive or Dropbox. Schedule regular backups. Be careful when deleting files. Double-check before permanently deleting files. Keep recycle bin enabled for extra protection. And that's a wrap. That was how to restore deleted files. We hope these tricks worked for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next one.